Hi everybody, Chef Jamie here. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to make a beautiful Valentine's Day dessert. If you're needing some inspiration, okay, we're here to kind of give it to you. Okay, then it will get you in the mood, okay, for your Valentine's evening. Right, so what we're going to be doing first is we're going to be making the fondue. We're doing a chocolate fondue. Okay, we need to make the actual chocolate sauce itself. So what we have here is we have some bittersweet chocolate. To be honest, it doesn't really matter what kind of chocolate you use. If you want to use white chocolate or milk chocolate or even dark chocolate, is also absolutely fine. Okay, so we're going to add the chocolate into the bowl along with milk, cream, heavy cream, and again, what I have done, okay, I've weighed out all of the ingredients, but on the hub we have the scale function, so you're able to scale your ingredients straight on there. If you don't want to save the washing up on Valentine's night, you can weigh it directly into the bowl. Now, again, if you want to add a little bit of spice to your evening, okay, what we can also do is incorporate some chili inside the actual chocolate fondue mix as well. So what we're going to do, we're just going to have some nice slices of chili. And again, if you don't want it too spicy, then you can just keep the chili whole and then kind of put it in there. Also, cayenne pepper works really well in there too. And then we're just going to start. So we're going to be cooking this for about 5 minutes on a relatively low heat at about 160F, because when we're cooking chocolate, you want to make sure that you don't overcook it, you don't burn it, because if you do burn it, it's going to go incredibly bitter and it's going to spoil your evening. But now I've already pre-washed these strawberries, okay, and then basically all we are going to do is we're just going to trim the ends off the strawberries, and then we're going to attach it to the skewer. We're going to have a marshmallow, and then I'm just going to make the skewers. I'm going to prepare the strawberries first, and then we're going to go on to the bananas later. Now we have some beautiful all butter shortbread biscuits here. You can use any kind of biscuit you like, Oreos or anything else. It works really, really well. So we can just sort of lay them in a nice sort of pattern on the plate. We're just going to very quickly, we're just going to continue and prepare all of the strawberries by just removing the husk from the top, and then I'm going to make some skewers. Okay, so we're going to have strawberry, marshmallow. Just going to repeat that process. I might only just do a few, okay, so you guys get the idea and the concept of what we are looking for. Is we're going to prepare the banana. Now, I've left the banana to last because, again, you guys should leave it to last. If you chop it too early, what's going to happen? The banana is going to go black. So we're just going to top and tail the banana. Then we're going to slice it and then peel it and then chop it into some nice chunks. Nice big thick chunks. Again, pineapple is nice with this. You can pretty much use whatever fruit you want, or you don't even need fruit. You could use candy. And now we're going to have a look at the actual shot as well of the chocolate. Okay. Wow, you can smell that. Well, I can smell it. I can smell some slight spice as well going on there. Okay. It looks really great. You see, it's smooth, it's shiny, it's very glossy. Okay. And then, you've actually got two options here. If you want to feel really romantic, you can lean over the top of Molto, look into your partner's eyes and get some kind of chocolate stick and really get stuck in there and really look over Molto, okay, at your partner. If not, okay, if you're a bit shy, all right, we can actually just pour it inside the bowl. Look at that beautiful, smooth, glossy chocolate sauce. Now again, if, for example, you're spending too much time having so much fun with each other, the chocolate starts going cold, very simply put it back into the bowl, select keep warm mode, and then it's going to warm it up for you. Last thing from me, we're going to dip it into the chocolate, and then I'm going to put it into my mouth. Bye-bye everybody, happy Valentine's.